What's up, everybody? I figured I'd come at you with a quick tutorial. This is a slide like drop bounce, so you can go any direction you want. Looks like the thing I showed you, so let's just hop right into multi-layer on your first clip. Pick the blank clip. Then I usually go and I hit the mirror section so that you get a little bit of a reference so it's not so crazy. And you go to edit keyframes, and then I jump all the way to the back of the clip, and I drop keyframes on path and rotation just for reference. Go back about 5 or so because this is a quick one, and then set more regular keyframes. Go to the end one again, and then you can drag it any direction you want. So I went up, but you can go any direction you want. You just have to do the opposite direction that you came from when you go to the next clip. So I did up, and then you go to the easy mode on the directional path and select what I did for this one. Pay attention, it's not the opposite for the next. And then this little extra spice, you can see it makes the clip mirror at the top for the rest of the clip. Go to one before it and just match that dot back up with the second to last one, and then you're good with that. So it'll be a quick drop, as you can see here. Then from here you're going to want to go back to your effects tab, the color ones, and you need to have this blur or figure out some sort of blur. Tracking blur is the best bet because it does it for you. It's super easy, totally worth the money. I know people complain about some of my stuff because it's not free, but you're not going to get something that looks really good for free, just telling you, no matter what you're doing. So just get tracking blur, and you can save your preset anywhere you want it. I'm just going to cancel it because I don't need one. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. And then you're going to see that it looks like that. Oh, sorry, gotta turn off the other one. And then looks like this so far. So it just drops. And if you're okay with that, you can be okay with that. Then you save the preset and just throw it at the end of every clip, and that's it. But I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to make a little bit of the bounce that you saw. So kind of reverse process. So you're starting at the beginning this time, and I go 7, 9, 11. You can go as far out as you want. I went quick. You go from the opposite direction, like I said before, the opposite direction you came from. So I started up on the last one, so I'm coming from the bottom now. So I put that dot at the bottom. I go to the second keyframe, and actually I messed up here. I'm not gonna do that. I have to do one of these ones that I'm gonna show you here. This one works pretty good because it gives you that little bounce effect you can see. And if you're cool with that, you don't got to do anything more. Just put on your blur and you're good. And so I'm just showing a few different looks at how it is when it's quick like this. And before the blur, it looks kind of cheap, kind of cheesy. Just kind of bear with me here. I also did a rotation. You can go as drastic as you want, as not drastic as you want. When it's this quick, it doesn't look great especially without blur, but it doesn't look great. So the longer you hold it out, the longer it's going to be. Then I go to my tracking blur that's in the search bar. And this one, you kind of want to have more. I go towards the end of the effect to see how much I still want at the end. I kind of want to have a bit more than last time. You don't want to totally max it out though, because it'll look like crap. You won't really get to see any motion. Again, you can save it. From here, you kind of have what you want. You got your clips, and then you see a little drop bounce, and it looks better after the screen blur for sure. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribed. It really helps me out quite a bit. I'll be coming out with a bunch of videos since a lot of people are going to be at home over the next coming weeks, possibly months, hopefully not. But either way, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, because I will be coming out with some more content very shortly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.